So you want to rank your Udemy course in order to get a lot of sales. I'm here to help. So before we'll jump into the video, I'd like to tell you that we have created a Facebook group for Udemy instructors. You can find it in a link down below, where we'll be discussing different things for the Udemy instructors on different strategies, what I use directly before all the videos will come out, or we'll just discuss the videos themselves to help you and help each other to grow on Udemy. You can find it in the description down below. Go on there and join the group. So before we're gonna discuss how to rank on the Udemy, let's just try to understand what does ranking means, because it turns out not a lot of people actually understand what does ranking means. So ranking your course on Udemy means that to show your course high up in the list for the certain keywords or for the certain topics. And you want this to happen because the higher the course is in a list, the higher is the chance that someone will purchase your course, enroll into your course, and you're gonna gain money from this. And we all want to rank high in the Udemy course. So let's just discuss what you need to do in order to get high up in the ranking. So unfortunately, one video will not be enough to discuss every single thing about ranking of the Udemy course. So this will be just the first video about the Udemy ranking, where we are gonna make an overview of the things that you need to focus on. And then in the future videos, we are going to focus on certain things from this list that I'm gonna be giving you in this video. So without further ado, let's just discuss 5 ranking factors for your Udemy course, starting from the least important and the easiest to the most important and the hardest. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, ranking factor number 1 that you have a lot of control of, but not a lot of people are actually using it, and it is topic saturation. So the most important thing, the easiest thing that you need, that you can affect on your ranking of your Udemy course, is to find out whether your topic is actually saturated or not. So the easiest way to show up your course high up in the list is when there are not a lot of courses in this topic. So for example, in my case, what I did is I focused on a lot of topics that does not have a lot of courses, and especially does not have a lot of good courses. And as soon as I created the course, my course was near the top of the list because there were only 3 or 4 other courses for this exact topic. So what you need to do is to go into the marketplace insights tool of the Udemy itself and find out whether your topic has a lot of courses or not, because a lot of people are just sticking themselves into the topic from get-go that has hundreds of courses, and of course it will be extremely difficult to rank for the topic that has hundreds of courses. So my advice to you is to make courses in the topics that does not have a lot of courses in this topic. So just try to find these courses and make courses in this topic. But if you want to do a course in highly competitive courses, yes, you can still do this, but expect to crawl up in the ranks way slower. This is just what it is. I have created courses in the very competitive topics, but still managed to rank pretty high, and you can do this as well. And the next thing will help you with that. Okay, the factor number 2 is keywords. Boy, oh boy, everybody's talking about the keywords and SEO and search engine optimization, and the thing that will help you to rank high. Yes, the keywords will help you rank high, but this is not the most important thing. But this is the thing that you can affect directly and do it like as soon as you've created the first course. And this thing will allow you to not rank on the bottom right from the get-go. If you can rank higher than 50% of the courses right from the get-go, you should use it, and the keywords will help you with that. So what does keywords mean? So different courses and different topics are searched with the different keywords on the Udemy, and you need to stuff your keywords into your titles, into your subtitles, into your metadata, into your descriptions, into your course lecture names, into your course lecture descriptions as much as possible. Not just stuff them randomly, but in a context as well. Because when you give this data to Udemy, Udemy will understand that when people are searching for the certain keyword, Udemy will understand that this course has a lot of keywords and will show up higher in the rankings. So you are interested where you can find out the keywords. The marketplace insights will help you with this as well, because when you go to the Marketplace Insights for the certain topics, you will find out that there's actually a list of the keywords that people are looking for, the courses in this certain topic, and you will see the certain percentages, etc, etc. Try to focus on top 5 keywords and just put them in your titles. Use them in your titles. Don't use just the random titles. Use them in your titles. Use them in the description of the course. Use them in the lecture names. Yes, my friends, lecture names are important for the ranking as well. So name your lectures well as well. Use them in the description of the course. Use them in the topics of the course where you are just writing what the students will learn. Use them in the descriptions of the lectures as well. It's not as important, but if you will do this, you can get any help that you can get. So just use them in there as well, and your course will start ranking higher and higher and higher. Just choose your keywords wisely, because if you will go for the keywords that is very saturated, you will have hard time ranking there as well, even if you fill out everything with the keyword that you want. Just choose your keywords wisely and experiment. Change the names from time to time. Have one keyword for 1 week and see if you get higher in the ranks, just if you moved up or not. If you see that there is no movement, that you are going even down, then just ignore this and focus and add other keyword. Not just focus, just ignore the one keyword, just add other keyword. Add more long tail keywords, because the longer keyword is, long tail keywords means that there are few words in the keyword. Like for example, in my case, I have a course for YouTube. If I'll rank for the word YouTube, it's gonna be harder for me than to rank for the YouTube channel. And the easier will be, for example, is for YouTube channel growth, because there are 3 keywords and people might be searching for these 3 keywords at the same time. So just focus on the longer tail keywords and then for the shorter keywords, and this will help. We're gonna make another video about keywords as well, so don't worry about this if you don't understand this exactly. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel in order to not miss this video in the future. So the ranking factor number 3, which is very important. Now we're getting the things that actually put your course higher and higher and higher, and it is your review score, meaning that how high your review score is. The problem with that is that in order to have your score, you need to have a student, right? But if you don't have a student, nobody can review this. So only thing that you should not do is you should not pay for the reviews. Never do this, because you're gonna get banned on Udemy immediately. Udemy has excellent systems that can find out whether reviews have been paid for or not. What you can do in order to get review scores high or not, you can give away your course for free. For example, you can make your course for free for some time or for a really long time and accumulate review scores. The problem is that if your course is good, you're gonna get higher review scores. It's not a problem, it's a good thing. But if your course is a bit bad, which there is high chance that your course will be bad, you are going to get a lower score. So be mindful of that and understand that you might get a lower scores. But just give away your course for free for some time and just accumulate some review scores. Factor number 4, which is the second most important factor in an entire Udemy ranking system, which is weirdly enough that is higher than review score itself, is the number of reviews, which is exactly tied with the review score itself. Because in order to get a lot of reviews, you need to give away a lot of courses. You need to have a lot of students, and this is why giving away your courses for free is very important. And actually, I made a video about why you need to give away your courses for free. You can watch it if you want after that. But number of reviews are very, very important, because if you go through the certain keywords and go through the courses, you will find out that courses with the higher number of reviews, even if they have the lower review score, are ranking higher than the courses that has the higher score but lower number of the reviews. So you need to focus on number of the reviews. When someone will enroll in the course, shoot them a message and ask them to review the course. After every few lectures, ask the people to review your course inside the lectures themselves, and you will start accumulating a huge amount of reviews, because people are just simply ignoring the reviews right until they go till the end of the course. And in many cases, they just don't go till the end of the course, and they just completely forget about this. Don't think about the lower scores, just ask them for the reviews, because this will give you the higher rankings, and only after that probably focus on the review score itself. Okay, the number 5 and the most important thing for your Udemy ranking and the most difficult thing for the Udemy ranking, because this is the thing that you want your courses ranked for, and it is the conversions, meaning that how many people are actually buying your course. And more people are buying your course, the higher your course ranks, and because it ranks higher, more people actually buy it, etc., etc. And this is how it climbs higher and higher. And for that reason, that's why the first top 3 courses on Udemy for any search keywords, they just stay there. It's incredibly hard to move them from there. That's why they're always the first 3 or first 5 courses are always there on the top. That's why it's happening, because they are selling, and for that reason Udemy is promoting them more and ranking them higher, etc., etc. And for that reason you need to aim for the conversions. And if you have the other 4, you will most likely gain some sales and it will climb higher and higher and higher. I know that this is difficult to sell the courses, but Udemy is a business. Udemy wants to promote the courses that make them money, and the courses that make them money makes you money. So it's a bit a closed loop that it's very difficult to get into, but you just need to have a patience, because if you have a good course, if you have a good reviews, if you have a good number of reviews, if you have a good keywords, if you have a good topic, then be sure that your course will start making some sales and start making some conversions. Just be patient with that. We're gonna of course go through it in the future videos, how to increase conversions and how to do some stuff, and we're gonna learn more about this. But until then, these were 5 ranking factors for your Udemy course. I hope you like this video. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos like this one. Let me know which factor is most important for you, and which do you think that this ranking system fair or not. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. See ya.